Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm going to do a quick box opening on another watch I received from Aragon. Before we get into that, we'll do a quick wrist check. I am wearing the Arrowmeister tail dragger, one of the ones that I got from that 3 watch lot. So I'll be doing a follow-up review on this one pretty soon. Now, this Aragon is not the mystery watch from Wing's birthday. That one's going to be done on Saturday, February 3rd at 12 Mountain Standard Time. I know my Watch Addictions, we're doing the box opening same time, so he's at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. But we're going to post them at the same time, so you want to stay tuned for those. Check out mine and his. If you're not subscribed to both of us, that's probably the best way to get the updates on those. Also guys, I do have the giveaway that's going to happen January 31st about 8 p.m. Mountain time, and you'll want to be subscribed for that as well. There's going to be a little bit of an Easter egg hunt to that one to win the free month of Watchgang Black that I'm going to give away. So let me see if I can get this one open without too much fuss here. Let's see. Guess I could have preemptively opened it since it is a box in a bag. Alright guys, so as always with Aragon, the shipping was very quick. I have no complaints there, and I'm excited to see what I got today. Looks like I got my invoice right on top. Alright. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. Once again, nice box as always. This one was on sale. I believe I got it for like $98. This is just going to be the quick box opening. We'll do a follow-up look and review on this one a little bit later on. So, this is Aragon's new Skyguardian. I got it in green, 44 millimeter. It's got a nice leather strap. I do like the little green touch there. What do you guys think of that one? I actually really like the hands. Really cool. But I'll do a little bit more research on this one. There will be a follow-up where we take a deeper dive into it. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments. Alright, so I have realized the last couple box openings, I always say I'm going to do a on wrist and never do. So let me throw this one on really quick, and I'll kind of splice it into the middle of the video, but we'll still keep it short. Take a quick look at it on wrist. It's a nice size, and I really like that color green. I think this is going to be what I wear for the rest of the day. As always guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.